Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do the waterfall drawing. Children, the princess drawing is also ready. It is only the matter of posting. So it will also be posted. So we will directly start with our watercolors. There will be a few steps and little time for it to dry. So let us do this. So this is our first step. Can you see this dark green color? See, this is the color which I have taken. So I'm going to take a lot of color here. Okay. After this, I will take my sap green color, children. See, can you see this sap green color? Now, what am I going to do is, with this, I'm going to dab the sap green inside this too. A lot of color in my brush so that it becomes darker. Okay, so my light green is also going to have the sap green color inside it. After this, I will quickly just take nothing in my brush. I have white here. I'm going to do this, a little bit of sap green and a little bit of white to be pulled up here like that. So sap green, and this is my white which I am using. So I am taking both the colors in my brush. Okay, so we have made it's here like that and it's here like that. So I just hope it is clean and clear. Now we take a bit of yellow, a little bit of yellow in our brush, and it is just for the heck of it. We really don't require it. We wash our brush very clean. We take our whites and we pull this color like how we pull the oil pastel. Similarly, we have to pull the green color out. Okay, this is one part of the painting, and then you will leave it for drying for a very long time. Okay, so this is going to be a statue painting. So, and it will be completely green, children. See here. Okay, let me take a little bit of dark green again, because I feel a little dark green has. Okay, so this is my dark green. See, this is the color which I am using, the dark green. This is the sap green color. So I am giving all shades here. Now let this dry. Till then, what we will do is, we will leave a little space, and over here down at the bottom, see, now you're going to chapati thickness 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, and your brush should not go like that. Your brush should only go in this direction. Are you understanding? 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is the sleeping motion. Okay, this is the standing motion. We don't want the standing motion. So I've taken the same brush, children. Now at the corners over here will be this dark green. See, this dark green at the corner. See how I go 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. Take a lot of color on your brush, children. Don't do it without the colors. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. See the way I'm going, you have to go exactly the same way. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. We will be requiring a little bit of acrylic yellow if you all are having. Otherwise, if you all are having poster colors also, it's okay. So again, I'm taking just the color घ्यायचं. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. See, this is drying in that process. Okay, now we just clean our brush a little. We take a sap green now. A good amount of sap green, better no conjuicy at all. So a lot of color. Ding. Now this is a border. So again 1 2 1 2 1 2. You have to enter your dark green also, children. Please enter. सबके इलाके में घुसम घुसाई करने का ही है. 1 2 1 2. Okay, a little water. Lot of color. जैसे मम्मी दूध फेंटती है ना, जब बॉर्नवीटा और शक्कर डालती है तो फेंटती रहती है, वैसे हमको भी इसको फेंटना है. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 chapati seko 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yes, that's enough. Now we are not going to wash our brush. We are just going to take a white color. Okay, we'll take a little water in the white color. See, the green color has come because I had not washed my brush. I will clean it later on. I've taken a murada. Again, 1 2 1 2. Now you have to enter every ilaka. Remember that. Don't leave any ilaka. You have to enter the dark green ka ilaka also, and you are supposed to enter the sap green ka ilaka also. So 1 2 1 2 1 2. Papis. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now the children are going to love, because this is painting, na? Children love doing paintings, correct? Okay, now we are cleaning. See, I am cleaning my brush now. In this process, I did not clean my brush. Okay, a little more water here, so I'm just spreading it. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, now I'm using a patalu brush. Can you see? Yes. Now I'm taking the same white. I'll just clean it a bit because too much of green in it. I'll just clean it. Yes, you have to clean it to this extent, not much, because ekdam se white nahi karega. See, over here also it is not ekdam se white, so we don't have to do ekdam se white. Now again, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. Oh, patla hai na color. Okay, so we start again. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, again white. See, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka da, dick chicka dick chicka da, dick chicka dick chicka da. Now 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, so this is the water part, this is the sky part. Now keep it for drying before we start another parts still to be done. Okay, so keep it for drying and I will quickly come after it dries. Okay, so my drawing is almost dried. So what I do is I've taken my poster dark green color and I'm coloring this part. Can you see this part, the center part? I'm coloring it very darkly green. Okay, you can color it anyhow you want because your waterfall is going to be on this part. So you can do it the way you want, and then you keep it for drying till we do the rest of the parts. So the center part has to be dark green. Okay, after this is done, what we will be requiring is a chup brush. Children, you all understand what is a chup brush? A chup brush is the one which is having a flower type here. It is a spoiled brush. So please don't throw away your brushes when they are spoiled, because it is required when we do landscapes. So for this, what we will do is we are taking our Persian blue color, okay, right on the brush, okay, and we are making this will be one, this shall be the second one, and this shall be a third one. There will be 3 sets of bushes here, and similarly there will be 3 sets, one here, and one almost here. So what I do is I start with my blue, and I've taken my color and I'm just doing chup. Blue is the inner color, children, which we require to do always. Remember, whenever you are making bushes, your inner color has to be your Persian blue. Okay, I really don't have many colors with me, and there was a child who was requesting when will my turn come, and I had no other option but to use my cobalt blue instead of Persian, because my Persian is there but it is too wet to be used. Simply I will just do it because as it is, the green colors are going to come on it. So let me do it. So my Persian blue color on the background, this is one set. You all will come to know the difference when we do the other parts. So you have to keep on doing chop chop continuously, no stopping at all. Okay, so this will be your last chop chop. My color is got over. Okay, that is why I was not very keen on doing the waterfall, because I hardly have colors with me. I need to have the proper colors to make it proper, but never mind. So I have done my chop chop this side. Now I'll show you how the bushes are going to be formed. So this is my dark green color, children. I haven't washed my brush. I haven't taken even a pint of water. And now I am doing my chop chop with my greens. Okay, this is one bush which I'll be making. So try and color the entire part. Don't leave any white spaces now. Initially there were white spaces, but now you have to cover them in fact. Okay, so it's a very simple painting. It is just the matter of you learning the chop chop technique. If you learn the chop chop technique fast, this painting is going to be super duper easy for you. Then I'll show you the difference when we use the other light green color, and then we shall use yellow, and we shall use white as well, or any other color for the flowers. So this is just the chop chop technique first. Let us finish the chop chop part. No taking water. See children, I am not taking water. I am just dipping my brush inside the bottle and just keep on doing your chop chops. You can do blue randomly and you can do dark green randomly, and after that you need to differentiate between the three layers which will be visible now. So this is the base color. So base color can be anyhow, but then it should be chop chop. ऐसा mat kar dena. It has to go in a chop chop pattern. Okay, not wangad tingad. It has to follow the chop chop pattern. If it does not follow the chop chop pattern, it will not turn out to be good, children. That's it. Let's see where we require the dark green color. Now I have the light green color with me. Please children, don't use watercolors here, because watercolors are not going to work. You need to have your poster colors, or you need to have your acrylics. See now children, when I am doing my light green, I will differentiate between the three bushes. Can you see? This will be the one bush. Okay, I am doing a little bit down just to hide my white spaces wherever they are. Okay, this is one. Now this is going to be the second one. You will quickly understand the difference once I start using a little bit of my whites or my yellows to give the shade. And this shall be the third one up here. If you all wish, you all can even make trees, but I'm not making trees. I'm making it in a simplified form, a super duper easy nature painting for you all children. Please opt for it, please make it, and please post it on canvas and scissors. I would love to see it. But children, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and please see to that you buy few not buy, but tell your chacha chachi, mama mommy and other friends to subscribe as well, so that I get a little more subscribers. So now I'm using a little bit of my white color, a little tinge of white. See, can you see this? A little tinge. See, it is going to become light green now. Can you see how it becomes light green? Here I'm differentiating my bushes. Okay, so much tinge color I'm using. See, First it is very bright and then we dab 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 to make the bushes look light. Again I take a tunji of white. See my tunji of white. I put it here. Then I do din chik da. Now when you're doing no dabaya, aisa daba daba ke nahi karna beta. एकदम slightly as if जब पढ़ाई करते हैं, हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी पढ़ते हैं, हमारे अंदर कैसे जान ख़त्म हो जाती है ना, बस वैसे ही जान ख़त्म करके अपना करना. ओके, यू डोंट नीड टू शो दैट यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी लेफ्ट. शो दैट यू आर falling short of energy and you're making this. So now this will be the second one and this shall be the third one. Okay, so you all are aware now where the bushes will come, and later on we'll make the flowers. This white is just to make the green light green, more light green. Okay, so this is one set, this is the other set, and this shall be the third set. There was a girl who used to come to my classes and she was very fond of Chup Chup. And if she is hearing to my video, I don't know whether she is really there now here or she's gone to her gaon. But she will realize. She used to snatch books from everyone to do the Chup Chup. She used to enjoy it that much. To that extent. Okay, so a little blue will give a little more better look, or let it be dark green. So let dark green here. Similarly, we are supposed to do here. So we'll do this part first. For that, I'll have to remove my card. Okay, so we start with this part. See, these are not completed because we are supposed to make few yellow flowers. So I'm taking my Persian blue from the dabda and just doing the dab 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 dab. It's a little watery, that is why I was a bit, I had put a little bit of water inside. Okay, so I wanted a little dark blue this side. Let me make a little bit of dark blue this side. Yes. Actually, this blue will completely get smudged off and only greens will be visible. And if you can bet with someone कि मैंने blue किया कि नहीं किया, तो बोलेगा नहीं किया. मैं बोले मैंने किया, दिखता ही नहीं है तूने कहाँ blue किया. ये हमारी green scenery है. Green world is the topic. Okay, it's a green world. Green dick scenery, dick green. Okay, so we have done the blue part. Now we shall take a dark green color. अरे किथे गायब झाली bottle? आहे इकडेच आहे. See, I haven't washed my brush. I have taken green and I'm doing chop chop with green. Chop 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 chop. 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 Chop 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 chop. Eh, white daw. Eh, chop 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 chop. Chop 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 chop. You know why we do the blue? Because deep inside the bushes, you cannot do black. Black will look awful. So we do Persian blue just to show that there is some depth inside the bushes. So this is a layered of mountains I've just done, and we'll make flowers, yellow flowers, and these yellow flowers जब आएंगे ना तो it will look really pretty. अभी तो it is not even finished half. It's going to take a long time, children. So and children have been expecting mandala art from me and few portraits from me. Mandala art is something which I can do, but portraits is something which is where I'm very weak at. So I don't know, I can try, but then if it does not come good, then okay. So this is my light green color. So I go in for my bushes. Can I do it a bit faster now, because you all are aware what is to be done, so that the video does not become very long. Few of my students have already done it. The waterfall. This is the sky, the green sky. You know, it is fun making skies. Try it sometimes with red, blue, green, orange and all sorts of colors. Oh, it looks so pretty. You can always have, I've taken this and I'm dabbing it here because a lot of color has come in my brush. Okay. So the flowers here, not the flowers. This is the patta only, but lighter shade patta. It had just come a lot of color on my brush, so I'm just dabbing it off. When I do the yellows, I'm going to clean my brush once, because if I start doing yellows, what color flowers would you wish? Let me see. If I have red, I would go in for red, and if I have yellow, actually yellow will complement the landscape more rather than doing reds. I think so we should go in for yellows. Chippa chippa chirka chile, chappa chappa chirka chile. I'm washing my brush, children, very clean, and I'll come back for the flowers. Okay, children, see my brush, all clean for the flowers. No water. Okay, there is water in it. I need to dry my brush completely before I start my flowers. So I'm drying my brush. Can you see this? I'm drying my brush completely so that I can start my flowers on a dry brush. Now what I do is I take my yellow color. I said yellow color would look the best. So let me see. Okay, I have a bit of yellow. So I have yellow. I've taken yellow on my brush. I just wish, oh my god, this is wet, so I cannot dab it here. So what I do is I take yellow and I dab a little bit here, and I see to that I make the best flowers out of it. Okay. Now the flowers are going to come. See, can you see the flowers, children? Yes, the flowers are going to be on the upper side of the bush. They cannot be at the lower part. So these are my flowers here. Okay, so I take a little more of yellows from the dabda. I have to dab it somewhere because I don't want. Yes, okay. I will see to that I make the flowers well. And the flowers have to go here. They can come a little bit inside. This will be the part where there will be the waterfall. And after making the waterfall, also we will be making few flowers inside. So these are the flowers. I just wish they come out to be nice. My dabby dabby dabby. Hey dabby 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 dabby. Dabby 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 dabby. Tap 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 okay, done. Now see, what do I have? Dinchika, I have such a Jadia brush. Actually, you need a fan brush to do the waterfall, but since I don't have a fan brush, I have taken my Jadia brush and I've taken white color. Now I'm going to dab it and make it dry because I hardly need any color. Now what am I going to do? You all can take a thin wala brush also. See, I'm going to make it a fan like that. Use this technique, and my waterfall drops from here. Let it be dry. Let only little water fall. because it should look like there is some water falling. If you make it very white, it will not look nice. So the water is falling, water is falling. So this is our water which has fallen. Now I'm taking a little bit of white color on my dhakna. I'm dabbing. Now when the water falls, it forms a few bubbles, correct? It forms bubbles when it drops, correct? So we are going to make these bubbles, and we are going to make a few white strands here with it. Okay, I think so this much should be enough. So our waterfall is done. We have already made a few dabs. Can you see the झाग? Oh, जब waterfall होता है तो इधर झाग होता है. So meet the झाग also over here. We have made the bush. This is the sky. And if you wish, you can make few kawas. If you wish. If you do not wish, please don't do it. But if you wish, I don't have a black color now with me, and I cannot make it. Let's see if I have a little. I will definitely make one kawa at least for you to know how it is done. You can make it with a marker also, but my paper is a bit wet. I don't know, I shouldn't use a marker. A patlu brush you are supposed to take for the kawa. Okay, and then very carefully you make a line like that. Okay, there's no water in it. And then you make the kawa. Oh, no water. So here and here. Okay, so you can make one or you can make two. You can make one, matlab it's ahead. It's falling, the water is falling here, and he is ahead. He is not on the mount found kya bolte yaar, waterfall. He's just this side. You have understood what I mean to say. Should we make one more? Let us make one more because this place is looking a bit empty. So एक पहले पूंछ बनाते हैं. पूंछ बनाने के बाद हम लोग जैसे बचपन में हम कौवे बनाते थे, बस वैसे ही हमको कौवा बनाने का है, सिर्फ इस पूंछ का ध्यान देने का है. So a beautiful painting is all set ready. Waterfall, it's the most easiest way to make. No tensions at all. So I click a nice photo, no finishing required because we have directly started with coloring. No new finishing required, and it is done. And my princess painting is also ready, and children, I'm going to post it. There was a part which I missed, it did not get recorded, so I'll have to do it again. So I started with this waterfall, but princess is ready. Don't get disheartened, it will be published next. Bye, children.